Mmm. Ooh, fucking piss. I'm a bit pissed. Fuck yeah! Freedom is the
Where's your range?
What?
Where's your range?
In the rifle?
Yeah. Oh, Ollie, your fucking was so cute.
It's Bruno's blood, by the way.
Bruno.
Bruno.
You're cleaning that in the morning.
Bruno.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Bruno, I'll take you out on that. Bruno.
Why
Bruno, mate. I'll take you out. I'll take you out, yeah, and I'll let you know, innit?
Let me have a go.
I know what you mean, Sean.
Let me have a go.
I'm busy, man.
Let me have a go after you.
Shut up.
After you, let me have a go.
Wait, man.
I said after you.
I'm using this since about 3-4 years. Awake.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, I know you're not.
Hey, what's that
I'm just trying to
helmet?
step over this.
Is that helmet, Sean?
I got it from the car boot. It's actually from Starlight Express.
Whoa!
Oh yeah.
I didn't think it would do that.
Oh shit! You need your phone, Sean.
Did I?
Yeah. You better.
Your phone's wet.
You better not face his
mate.
way. You better not face his way when it shoots. I'm actually gonna go out because once I hit like my head, it's like.
Shit, man, just had your head go bang, bang.
Should we go because once I nearly shot my eye out.
Shooting at?
I used to wear glasses, but then I realised that the glasses didn't really help. Come on, love. Oh no! Put your fingers right up my anus. Right up the rectum, mate. Right in there. Right up the passage.
Worrying.
They should only go out. Come and then let's let them get on. Come on.
Can't without
Yeah, but you step there. Step 1 foot there.
That is your
Come here.
half British, half Portuguese blood.
Yeah, that's
So
why.
be careful.
That's why I don't want to touch it. Just in case I end up Portuguese. Half Portuguese.
Oh,
Come on, Helen, quick.
Going.
Quick.
What is up with
Left, right, left, right, left,
cold?
right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left.